this video, we're going to be doing a basic Calc 1 review question that deals with the second fundamental theorem of calculus. Here they're asking us to find df dx. Alright, so we're asking to be finding the derivative of this function. This function happens to be an integral here. We're running from 1 to the natural log of x of e to the t all over t dt. Alright, so the second fundamental theorem of calculus basically is going to let us take the natural log of x, plug it in for t, multiply by the derivative of that natural log of x, minus, plug in the 1, and then times the derivative of 1. Alright, so showing all those steps here. So let's say we're doing df dt. Alright, so first step, we're going to take that natural log of x and we're going to plug it in for t. So we're going to have an e raised to the natural log of x all over the natural log of x. We're going to be multiplying it by the derivative of what we just plugged in, so d dx of natural log of x, minus, we're going to take 1, plug it into the function, so e to the first all over the first, and then multiply that times the derivative d dx of 1. Alright, now, in this next line, we'll actually calculate some of those derivatives. Alright, I also want to take a look at simplifying this right here. Alright, hopefully you know enough with your log rules and you remember that e raised to the natural log of x, because that exponent has the same base as the base in the entire problem, means that this is equivalent to x. Alright, so this expression right here is just an x. So we're going to go ahead and use that in our next line. So we're going to have an x over a natural log of x. Alright, now, derivative of natural log of x is going to be x prime over x. Alright, if you've memorized this as just a 1 over x, that's fine as well. You are doing a x prime over x, a u prime over u, so 1 over x. Alright, all of this, the derivative here is 0. 0 times anything is going to be a 0, so that's all going to fall out. Okay, now we're down to just this simple expression right here. I've got an x on the top and an x on the bottom, so I can cross that out to get an overall final answer of just a 1 over natural log of x. Alright, but this is just basically a straightforward second fundamental theorem of calculus problem. You're asked to find the derivative of a function, and that function happens to be an integral. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.